welcome back to my channel. Way too much you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I will talk or discuss regarding the Imu Cet 2021 for the February batch. Again I am repeating, this is for the February batch. Okay, so notice has already been published in the Imu website. So I will go to the Imu website and discuss regarding all the facts and dates regarding the Imu Cet upcoming exam for February batch. Okay, so lot of changes obviously are there, so obviously I'll show you that things also. But before that, one firm reminder for you guys: if you want complete study material for Imu Cet, you can check the description box. You can get everything regarding mathematics, physics and your chemistry, general aptitude, GK, everything is there. So please go and check that out also. And if you have any doubt, you can message me or Instagram, you can DM me. So now let's not waste the time and move to my laptop screen. There I'll show you each and everything regarding the notice for this Imu Cet 2020-21 for the February batch. So now we are in my laptop screen. I will show you. Just go to Google and type Imu Cet. That's it. First link imu.edu.in. Just click the notification, admission notification for a DNS program. Then this one, new, already blinking. So you will get this PDF. This link I'll directly give to the description, so don't need to go anything, just go to the description and check the description. That's it. So here it is, 22 pages of PDF. First page is consists basically the strength of the college allocated for this exam. So 360 seats are there: Anglo-Eastern, then ARI, then IMI, then SCI, Samudra, Great Eastern and TS Raman. So strength are mentioned. Now next is that most important Imu Cet date. Okay, most important, that is 13th of March 2021 Saturday between 11 AM to 2 PM. Online based test. Okay, you will get the instruction later on. And registration fee is 1000 rupees for general and OBC candidates, 700 for the SC and ST candidates. Syllabus is also there, same as it is. The English, GK, no, not GK, sorry, general aptitude, physics, chemistry and maths. No negative marking. Okay, some salient features they have mentioned, so you can read this by yourself. The complete criteria basically is there, so please read by yourself. Okay, general instruction for online proctored CET as follows: the desktop or laptop is required with speaker and video equipment. No headphone or earphone are permitted during examination. So the examination will be there from your laptop inbuilt speaker, or you can attach separate speaker, but no earphone is permitted. Okay, then Imu is planning to conduct mock test 9th of March 2021, so you can appear for that mock test. Okay guys, so this is a small break, you can say, from the video. We'll get back to video very soon. Just 1 minute give me. I want to tell you something regarding this preparation material, that Imu Cet 2021 in a nutshell for online CBT test. So this is the material. Okay, so 520 is the price, so you can get by yourself for this material. So what you will get: previous questions, complete theory, practice exercise, shortcuts and quick revision material, additional e-material for reference, mock test. Imu Cet study material has been designed taking into consideration for the latest trends and syllabus requirement. Okay, salient features, what I have mentioned over there. So if you have any problem, you can contact me in this Instagram, or you can find my WhatsApp number in the description box. So 5000 plus MCQ with full solution and explanation is there. The subjects covered: mathematics, physics, chemistry, English and general aptitude. So please have a look, description box, link is there. You can get for yourself the best study material for the Imu Cet 2021. So okay, again we will get back to the video. The most important part, the important dates, you can see here is mentioned, mock test and all, everything is there. You can take a screenshot or you can read the PDF. The full table is there because the eligibility criteria is the most asked question what I have ever faced in my entire YouTube career. That this question, that sir, can I give the Imu Cet? So here is the table, please read it out carefully, every details is mentioned. Then reservation quota means ST, SC, OBC candidates. Okay, so please check it out, that thing also. Now qualifying examination for DNS program, so some higher secondary boards and all, everything mentioned, 10+2 systems. So please read this out also. And next page, general information, attendance requirement for students to appear university examination. These things is you can read. And okay, some you can say this is the code of conduct basically. Okay, complete code of conduct is mentioned. Now appendix 1, this will be later part if you belongs from the SC and ST candidate, so you have to attach this appendix 1A basically. This is a form separate from 3 pages. This is for the appendix 1B. This is for the OBC, means other backward caste or NCL candidates. So you have to fill up this form and you might submit it. Okay, so these are all regarding the PDF you can download, and the day by day examination will come closer. I will try to make videos. And now for this moment, for this certain period of time, just you have to do opening registration on 10th of Feb, your nearby date, 10th of Feb 2021. You need to fill up the forms. Last date of registration 28th of Feb 2021. Hall ticket you will get by 4th of March tentatively. Conduct mock test 9th of March. Date of computer based CET or CBT 13th March 2021, and date for publication results is 13th March 2021, and commencement of academic session is from 1st of April 2021. So these things you have to take in your mind for certain period of time. Okay, so thanks for watching this. So guys, I guess you have understood this video. I have tried to make sure that you have understand that, but if you have any doubt, you can read the full PDF. Obviously I recommend you to read the full PDF for your complete understanding. In a small video it is not possible to read out complete PDF, but the link will be there in the description box, so you can directly download the PDF. And apart from that, another firm reminder obviously that you can go to the description box to check the study material for the Imu Cet 2021 for this February batch. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, as well as English, general aptitude, GK, everything is there in a one set. Okay, so you can get this for your preparation purposes. Okay, so guys, that's it for the day. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and obviously press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.